Hello everyone, we are visiting our another production partner, Maya TX. We are in Austin right now. Let's say hi to Stephanie.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Maya TX. Here at Maya TX, we do DTFs, UV DTFs, we do neon DTFs, and embroidery.
Just 1 second, Stephanie. So I would like to introduce what kind of store here, and then what you guys doing here, and then we would like to visit your technologies and how you serve your customers. Okay, let's start from the beginning to introduce and make it clear for our audience. So let's start from the blank t-shirts. Do you sell blank t-shirts, and what type of apparels you have?
Yes, we sell blank t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, tank tops, babies, onesies, toddler shirts. We sell the Gildan heavy cotton, Gildan soft style, comfort colors, Gildan sweatshirts, Bella canvas shirts, next level shirts. Those are the most top selling.
Okay, that sounds amazing. So you have a lot of brands and a lot of type of apparels you have.
Yes.
So you would like to serve whatever your customers want.
Yes.
Okay, what type of technology you use while printing or producing custom t-shirts?
So we can take you to the print house.
That will be awesome.
Show you the machines.
Okay, let's go there.
Okay.
Now we are in another production building under Maya TX. Stephanie, can you tell us about what you are doing here?
Sure, this is a production area, the print house. So we're gonna go in and I can show you.
Okay, let's go.
So first, this is our packaging area. And these are the DTF boxes that get shipped every day. Down
Yeah, we
here,
can move on.
so these are the DTF printers in action. The one on the very end is the neon DTF.
What is the difference? Can you tell us about the neon DTF and regular DTF difference?
So the neon DTF only has certain colors, the pink, orange, yellow, green. So, and it's just neon in the design.
So it is glow up with the light in the dark?
It not glow in the dark, but it gives the effect of the neon effect. The others, your regular colors and designs.
How many DTF printers you have in total?
In total, we have 10 DTF printers.
So are they capable to work all day? So it looks like a massive production partner center here.
Yes, they're running pretty much 24/7.
That looks awesome.
At night, yeah.
So can you tell us about the technology, how you are printing here and how you are transferring to the t-shirt?
So it's a technical part, and we have our print guys who know a lot about this, and they maintain the machines. So they're always checking the ink, checking the white powder, and making sure that the film is coming out. See, it lays on here, but it rolls it out.
Okay. Stephanie, we see another type of machine here. What is this?
Yes, this is the UV DTF machine. So it prints on a gang sheet like the DTFs, but it doesn't require heat press. So you peel and stick them on a smooth, hard surface. So it's similar to a sticker.
Okay, so you don't have powder, you don't need to heat machine,
No.
heat press.
No.
You just put on the surface and then peel it.
And then peel it, yes.
Oh, that
Yes.
looks awesome. And if I'm not mistaken, this has a texture. Okay, so we are here in another building. So you have different type of machines here, Stephanie. What are these?
Yes, this one is a DTF cutting machine. And as you can see, it will cut individual DTFs from a gang sheet. So the software, Allpodi, allows you to have a print-ready file, and then you can print and get the design, and it will cut and give you an individual DTF.
Okay.
So then it's ready to press onto your garments.
That sounds amazing. So you save a lot of time, and also Allpodi help you to produce mass production here.
Yes.
Okay.
This is really efficient for us because we're making thousands of shirts a day. So this allows us to speed up the process.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Okay, so I see another type of machine here. What is this?
This one is a folding machine. It will fold the garments, package them, and label them.
Okay, so you give the t-shirt here.
Yes.
It fold it.
Yes.
Put in the bag.
Puts it here in the bag, runs
and
it
then
through.
peel off the sticker part and then fold it and put the label on it and automatically ship ready.
Yes.
Okay, that sounds awesome.
Yep, it's ready to go.
And then what are those? Are these the presses, heat presses?
These are the heat press. So all of our shirts, sweatshirts, tank tops, everything we make is this is the production side for the heat press. And they're going to press the designs, and then we've got a packaging team that does the folding and packaging.
Okay. This is the early morning, so you just started doing today's job?
Yes, they started about 8 a.m. this morning.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Stephanie, we are in another building again, so what do you have here?
Yes, so this is our embroidery area. So we have our embroidery machines here at the back. So we offer embroidery on garments, backpacks, any item, hats, any item that a customer is interested in. And this is where it's produced. We also do patches, leather patches, for hats or sweatshirts.
So, if I'm not mistaken, these are 4 hand embroidery machines that allows you to do 4 design at the same time.
Yeah, this one is 4 at the same time.
And then another one is 2-headed, another one is single, so you are able to produce all type of designs or patches or embroidery styles here.
Yes.
That's awesome.